Hello everybody, I would like to show you some features about our CNC controller on our variable rake angle shear, our Varia machine. I will show you the function, how you can collect small parts, long parts, without having to go to the backside of the machine. So we select the type of material. For instance, we choose aluminum. We have a sheet of 2.5 millimeter thickness. As you can see, the CNC control automatically adjusts the blade gap and the rake angle. For instance, we need parts of 50 millimeter wide, and instead that they fall on the backside, we want them to fall down. In the box, we select the sheet support system. We select the big box. Now the sheet support system will move to the back, which means that when I cut the sheets, they will fall down, not to the back, they will fall down in the box underneath the shear. We switch on the motor. Hello, now I will explain you the return to sender function. The return to sender function is when you don't want the plate to fall down at the back side, but you want it to return to the front side. So I will show you. For instance, we want to cut a part of 450 millimeter at the back, and we select the return to sender function, pushing the foot pedal to bring the sheet back to the front. And now I switch on. Now I'm going to explain you how to use the small box if you want to cut like small parts. For instance, here I have a strip of sheet and I want to cut all small parts. So I have stainless steel 1 millimeter. I want to cut parts of like 50 millimeter long. Of course, my cutting length is only 100 millimeter wide, and I want to use the small box. So you can take out the box. All my small parts are in the box. These are the most important and main functions about our CNC controller. Thank you very much for watching.